Next, let's take bank transfer as example. After selecting the bank transfer payment method, check the bank transfer details carefully. The bank transfer information including account name, BSB code, account number, and transfer reference. Each order transfer reference is different. Please be sure to fill in the transfer reference. The transfer reference is used to verify your bank transfer order. If you do not fill in or fill in incorrectly, the money arrival time would be affected. Please transfer the exact amount of your money. More or less transfer amount will make a delay on your money arrival time. Next, exit Panda Remit and open online banking application to start transfer. Let's take Commonwealth Bank as example. Step 1. Open Commonwealth Bank application. Click Pay and Transfer to start the bank transfer payment. Select Pay Someone to add the payee. Step 2. Enter Pay Someone and click Add to add a new payee. Select Bank Account to create a new payee based on the bank transfer details. After creating and confirming that is correct, click Next to enter the next step. After entering payment details, enter the amount you want to transfer plus service fee in amount blank. Please be sure to fill in the transfer reference in description. Check the information above carefully and click Pay to enter the next step. Select Pay Now to pay immediately. Enter the online banking password to complete the bank transfer payment. Congratulations! Now you have finished the bank transfer. After the payment is successful, money will be arrived within 1 to 3 working days. If you are using a joint account for transfer, you need to provide a transfer proof containing the names of both parties. Since the market exchange rate fluctuates in real time, the exchange rate for bank transfer is subject to money arrival time. After creating a bank transfer order, please complete the bank transfer as soon as possible, otherwise the order will be cancelled. Bank transfer orders are expected to take 1 to 3 business days to process. The specific processing time will be determined by the Australian bank. According to the bank's risk control and your online banking security settings, SMS verification may be required when making bank transfers.